Hi everyone, here is a spacious warehouse of 5,800 square feet in Jabal Ali, located at a very prime location. The warehouse is fully equipped with all the civil defense requirements, which includes sprinklers, fire hose manual reels, smoke detectors, fire alarm system, one emergency exit with insulated ceiling, and also equipped with the air conditioners both on ground and mezzanine. It has a built-in office and a washroom with an automated shutter. The built-up mezzanine area is also equipped with all the civil defense requirements and also equipped with the air conditioners on the mezzanine. For more details in regards to this spacious warehouse, you can contact one of our executives at Redrock Real Estate. And do not forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn and Twitter on Redrock UAE. Thank you.